morning children, welcome to our English class. And here I am having one surprise for you. Can you see I have one magic box? So there is something special for you in this magic box. So let's find out what is inside this box. Okay, so see who has come out of the box. Can you see what has come out? What is the meaning of out? Out means bahar. So what has come out of the magic box? Mr. Toto. So he is Mr. Toto. Say hello to Mr. Toto.
Hi
Hello.
Toto.
And ask him how is he?
How are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. So today Mr. Toto is going to play a fun game with you. And I hope you all are going to enjoy this fun game. So Toto has kept something inside the magic box. Let's find out what is inside. Okay, let's open the magic box. Alright. So see, Mr. Toto has one nice book with him. And he loves to do reading. What he loves to do? He loves to do reading. So now he has read the book. Can you see he is reading the book? After reading, he has kept the book on the box. So where he has kept the book?
On.
He has kept the book on the box. So what is the meaning of on? On means ऊपर. When we keep anything on the top, किसी भी चीज के ऊपर हम कुछ रखते हैं. So what word do we use? We use on. So Mr. Toto has kept the book on the box. Now he has done with the reading and he has enjoyed the reading. Now he wants to keep the book back. You also keep the things back after playing. खेलने के बाद हम भी अपनी चीजें वापस प्लेस पे रखते हैं. Same way Mr. Toto, now he is going to keep the book in the box. So where he is keeping the book? In the box. Book कहाँ रखी उन्होंने? Box के अंदर. So when we keep anything inside, जब हम कोई भी चीज अंदर रखते हैं, so which word do we use? We use in. So he has kept the book in the box. Now he has done the reading. Now he wants to do something interesting. He wants to play. Okay, he finds his friend. Hello, Mr. Tuffy. Hello. Oh no, Tuffy is little far. Tuffy Mr. Toto से कहाँ है? काफी far है. So now he has to jump and go to Mr. Toto. क्योंकि वो बहुत far है. Anything that is far, जो हमसे दूर होती है, तो which word do we use? Far. So now he has to jump and go to Mr. Toto. Now let's see. Toto is going to Tuffy and now they both are playing. Okay, after playing now he wants to come back to his place. Now he is coming back to his place. Oh, I can see something. Mr. Toto is able to see something yellow. What is that yellow? Oh, it is Mr. Duckling. Can you see Mr. Duckling? And where is Mr. Duckling? Mr. Duckling is under the tree. Where is Mr. Duckling? Mr. Duckling is sitting under the tree. Anything that is under. Under means नीचे. यहाँ पे ये duckling कहाँ बैठा हुआ है? Under the tree. Tree के नीचे बैठा हुआ है. So which word do we use for that? Under. So children, do you notice something what we have done here? Mr. Toto has introduced us with so many place words. Mr. Toto ने हमको बहुत सारे place words बताए हैं. When we want to tell the position, हमें किसी भी object, किसी भी thing, किसी भी person की position बताना होती है, तो we use some place words. And now I would like to show you one more time all the place words which Mr. Toto has used in this story. Okay, first is on. On means ऊपर. See, Mr. Toto is sitting on the box. Then In. In means अंदर. Mr. Toto's story book is inside this box. इस box के अंदर है. So which word we will be using? In. Now next is out. So Mr. Toto, earlier he was in the box. पहले box के अंदर थे. Now he is out. Out मतलब वो इस box के बाहर आ गए. So we will be using the word out. Then next, the Tweety. It is near. कोई भी चीज हमारे पास होती है, near होती है, तो which word do we use? Near. The way this duckling is near the tree, so we will be using the word near. And if something is far away, हमसे बहुत दूर है, like his friend was far away, so he was using the word far. Far means दूर. And the next word is under. So where was Tweety sitting? Tweety was sitting under the tree. कोई भी चीज जब नीचे होती है तो which word do we use? Under. Under means नीचे. So I hope you all have enjoyed this story. Now let's do the exercise.
So I hope children you have enjoyed the story with Toto. What Toto has taught us today? Toto has taught us place words. Now again we are going to do a recap of these place words. Now can you see the box? What is in the box? What is this? This is a ball. So what are we going to say? The ball is in the box. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Okay. Now somebody has taken it out. Where is the ball? The ball is out of the box. So we are going to read the word out. O-U-T is out. Now can you see this is a tree? Where is the bird? The bird is sitting on the tree. So on yani upar. O-N on. The bird is on the tree. Now we have some other picture. This is a tree but the bird is now under. Where is the bird? The bird is sitting under the tree. So we are going to read the word U-N-D-E-R, under. Yes. So the bird is under the tree. Now what is the next picture? This is a hut. Hut is near the tree. So the hut is near the tree. Which word is this? Near. N-E-A-R. Near. Now something is far from the hut. This is a hut but the car is far. Far yani dur. So F-A-R. Far. The car is far from the hut. The tree is near but the car is far. So these are the place words which you are going to learn in your book also. Okay. Thank you. So children, now this is your Oxfording book. Now you will open to page number 46. What are these? Place words. Now where is the bug? You have to see the picture and circle the correct word. This is an exercise you will do at home. Thank you.